In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all saved posts on Reddit. If you've been using Reddit for a while, your Save tab can easily get cluttered with old posts you don't need anymore. Maybe you saved them to read later, or to come back to a guide or a meme, and now you just want a clean slate. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple process of removing those saved posts step by step. First, open Reddit in your browser or in the Reddit app and log into your account. Make sure you're signed into the correct profile, especially if you use more than one account, because your saved posts are tied to a specific account. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that icon. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account. From that menu, choose View Profile. This will take you to your public Reddit profile page. On your profile page, you'll see a row of tabs near the top, such as Posts, Comments, and others. Among these, there is a tab labeled Saved. Click on the Save tab. This is where Reddit keeps all the posts and comments you've chosen to save. After clicking Saved, you'll see a list of everything you've saved over time. Each item in this list is a separate post or comment. To remove one of them from your saved items, look for the More Options icon on the top right of that individual post. Depending on the device you're using, this might look like 3 dots or a small menu button. Click on that More Options icon. A drop-down menu will appear for that specific post. From this menu, select Remove from Saved. As soon as you click that, the post will automatically disappear from your saved list. There's no extra confirmation needed. To delete all of your saved posts, you'll need to repeat this process for each item. Open the More Options menu, then choose Remove from Saved. It can take a bit of time if you've saved a lot of content, but working through them in order will gradually clear everything out. You can pause and come back to it whenever you like. Reddit will save your progress as you go, and that's it. By following these steps and removing each item one by one, you'll be able to clean up your Save tab on Reddit and keep only the content that still matters to you.